Good morning, my fellow subscriber, viewers, and audience. Out there in the world, I am trying to adjust my simple, low-tech selfie stick. And it's been a while since I uploaded any new content on my YouTube channel. I was working, gave somebody a gig, since I'm the owner of the YouTube channel, somewhere out there to a young chap. Today's lesson, not a lesson, today's episode will be on communications. Communications. Skill set that goes towards the soft skill set. Any work that you do with your hands, with your mind, with application, with database, with software, with utilities, goes towards known as hands-on hard skills. Okay. Now, if there's a lack of communication, a language barrier, then things don't work out right, right? Both for the person doing the work, for the person giving the work. Doing, giving, right? So if I were to hand a task to someone or to somebody, if their language barrier is there, then yes, it's going to be hard, right? So lesson learned. Lesson learned. There are many freelancers out there in the Indo-Pak region. I will name no names. They apparently don't understand how projects and contracts work, right? So if I were to give somebody a project or a contract, I would check them out, ask them questions, approve them to work, to do SEO on my YouTube channel. They claim to be experts. They claim they know what they're doing. So I take it as a grain of salt and I give them the opportunity, right? So what I've learned in the last recent couple of months, that in the USA, especially USA, no matter what state you live in, what city, what county, it's irrelevant. In the USA, when you work as a contractor, I work as a contractor. I'm a full-time contractor still. I work 100% remote, and I'm blessed. Cross my finger, knock on wood, right? I'm grateful to universe. I'm grateful to cosmos. I'm grateful to planet Earth, Holy Mother Earth, we call it, and the elements from which I was created from. I'm grateful to God and Divine Spirit. And I'm grateful to all the audience, all the subscribers, all the viewers, new and old, time to time, come in and listen or watch my channel. Okay. 98% of the time, it's all about listening. Listen, right? Listen, right? Listening, even from grade school to elementary to college to university, what do we do? What do? We listen to our teachers, we listen to our professors, we watch their whiteboard, we watch their blackboard, green board, what kind of board they have, what kind of markers they use, extra, right? We listen what they're saying, we listen what they're doing, right? So communication becomes one of the most important, vital part of skill set you got to have. Next is documentation, right? So if I were to ask a young chap or a young gal out there who wants to do work for me and say, hey, could you please write me a paragraph of what you are going to do for me to win my business, right? For them, I am their customers, right? So if they are shy, if they are don't want to tell me, basically, or they're behind hiding behind an application, utility, or database, like I mentioned before, right? Now, with all due respect, folks like me who are analyst, engineer type, been in the industry for 30 years, they understand what marketing is, digital marketing, they understand sales, they understand IT domain, IT space, they understand security, SOC. They've been around, right? They've been around. So uh, they've been around. So you really, really have to be upfront with a person like me, right? Next phase or next topic or next most important within the IT, within digital marketing, within the SEO, right? When you claim, someone claims to be an SEO expert, the most important value adding is customer satisfaction. I'm going to repeat this again for those who are out there in the world, okay, in the world of freelancing, in the world of digital marketing, in the world of SEO, especially when they come out on different Facebook channels, trying to market their expertise as a SEO experts, right? Customer satisfaction. If you want to work for people like us meaning those who have YouTube channel, those who do their own marketing, those who do their own SEO, or those who dabble, I say dabble with YouTube channel, right? We are dabbling, right? We're dabblers. Best way to say it. We are dabblers, right? Uh, Customer satisfaction is the most important key. Now, in my career, personally speaking, with all due respect, as being IBM Lavono field engineer and specialist, HP hardware specialist and engineer, analyst, Dell hardware engineer and specialist, within 30 years, right? Within 30 years, I have been to so many, I've taken classes by HP, by IBM, by Dell, by Lavono, where they teach you the key value of customer satisfaction. They teach you. And if you've taken over the years, right, so you understand how important customer satisfaction is, right? If your customer is not satisfied, you are not going to get the gig. You are not going to get the business, right? So consider this a free lesson from a guy like me and a person like me, right? He's still in the field, he still works, he still understands technology, he still understands teamwork, he still understands soft skill set, hardware skill set, or hard skill set, we call it, right? So we're talking about customer satisfaction. Remember that, very important, very, very important to understand customer satisfaction, right? So, uh, so key things to remember: you're starting in your career or you are going vertical, horizontal. Communication, documentation, presentation, customer satisfaction, and soft skill set, hard skill set. In all this, we require tools, right? Right tools for right job by Noor Ali. I'm your host. And believe me, trust me, I am doing this for fun, right? Passion. I am a creative person. I am a visual artist, so I have a creative mind, I think. And obviously, I'm still in IT. So I'm part of that world. I understand it. I know what's going on. And I understand cloud computing. I understand automation. I understand AI is coming up, right? AI is everywhere. If you go through my content, you will understand different side, vertically, horizontally of IT in my channel. But my focus of my channel is right tools for right job, right? For every job you do, no matter if you're software engineer, developer, no matter you're administrator, database guy, network engineer, telecom engineer, installer, cable management, or network engineer or technician, right? CCTV technician, fire alarm technician, all those people, right? All those professionals out there in the field today have certified themselves, have trained themselves, but they need to have the right tools, right? You don't have the right tools, you won't be able to perform the job. Okay? It is a given. It's a given. And it's well understood in every position, every role that I take. 110% of it based on tools, right? You got to have the right access, you got to have the right software, you got to have the right database, right utility, right config files to resolve any tickets, Jira tickets, or Snow tickets. We call it ServiceNow tickets. Right now it's two: Snow, which is ServiceNow, and Jira. Okay, which is Jira storage. We call them because we're using safe and agile. Okay, so but tools are the most important things, right? I don't have the right access, I don't have the right tool, I can't do my job, right? Then meetings, may it be Skype, Zoom, Teams, Slack, and Outlook. Those are all forms of communication. And you got your Word, you got your Excel, you got the PowerPoint presentation, right? Word, Excel, PowerPoint, right? And then tech lingo and non-tech lingo. You need to understand the tech lingo among the engineers, and then you need to understand non-tech lingo among the business people, right? So those are the most important things you need to understand. I will be uploading new content. It will be tools related. I have a different approach. I have a different thought process. I guess I think out of the box, right? I mean, cross my finger, knock on wood, all my content which I've uploaded, right? I didn't have to leave my house. Every content material was right in front of me in my house, right? Or my home office, right? So I've been blessed. I've been blessed. Cross my finger, knock on wood. So as I say to all my viewers, audience, and subscribers out there, once again, thank you very much for watching my channel. Look what it says over here: share, learn, teach, and grow. 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 Educate yourself so you can educate others. If you like, you subscribe. If you like, you subscribe. If you like, you subscribe.